Hey guys. Sorry. Anyways, hey guys, it's me. Welcome back in this new channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys my Limitel Barbie accessories. And yeah, so these are accessories like foods, but they're not come from Barbie. They come from another toy. Bing bang bleep. Okay. Anyway, so here we have the collection paper thingy, and as you can see, these are like really cute. You can collect them all, and you can see these are a lot. And yeah, there's also the bag here, you can see. And yeah, I actually want to collect them all, but I have 8 them now. 8. Yeah, I don't have them really all, but the important thing that I have them. Okay, that's true, right? Okay. Anyways, I'm going to show you guys this. They actually can change the face. You can see. Oh my god. So yeah, and you can see this is probably like a tennis, something like that. And it's super cute. I really like it. I actually use it more like a Barbie accessory. So yeah. And over here we have, I don't know what is this, but definitely not using it for my Barbie accessories because I don't even know what is this. So, but I have duplicates. You can see 2 of them. And then I have this small fridge. It's really cute. I really like it. And if you know, guys, they cost just $1 each. So yeah. Over here we have the French fries. This is one of my favorites. And over here we have the ice cream. It's really cute. And we have a chocolate bar. That is even one of my favorites. And yeah. The last one we have is super cute doggy that is half purple and half pink. In the camera you can see it more like a red, but on reality it's pink, guys. And yeah, this is how you change the face. Oops, let me get it. Okay, so here how you can change the face. So let me put it back. Oh my god. Okay. Anyways, guys. Yeah, that's my collection of Moji Pops. The name Moji Pops. And yeah, I really hope that you guys like this video. And subscribe if you're new. And please share this video. Comment down below what's your favorite of these, of my collection. But anyways, bye guys.